Merry Christmas! Unboxing Daddy's Christmas gift. Thank you! We bought it in the Galleria. Oops. So it's Rivoli PM. Thank you. And the winner is the winner is me with the sling. Because if you have a kid, a toddler kid, sling is important. Yes. Then ready to go.
Stop.